Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars and our latest video for this BMW X3. This is the 2-litre diesel X-Drive SE automatic. Car was first registered 24th of November 2011 on a 61 registration, just the one registered keeper from new. Full BMW service history comprising 9 visits. Last oil change done November 19 at 82,000 miles. Last BMW service was brake fluid done November 20 at 91,000 miles. Current mileage 92,200. Car is finished in titanium silver. MOT valid through until the 24th of November 2021. Very good set of Pirelli run flat tyres. Front's on 4.4 and 4.5mm of tread, and rear's on 4.4 and 4.5 also. The 2-litre diesel is a Euro 5 diesel, is compliant with the ultra low emission zones in London, produces 181 bhp and returns a manufacturer's claimed average of 50 to the gallon. As with the exterior of this BMW, the interior is likewise in very good condition for its age and mileage. Features the oyster leather interior. Front seats are heated. Satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, electric windows to the front and rear, optional electric folding, heated wing mirrors, cruise control, automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, front and rear parking sensors. Also has the optional electric tow bar, automatic hold, start stop and hill descent. Audio equipment wise, AM/FM radio, CD player, 2 USB ports, hard drive, and the CD also does DVD playback also. This BMW X3 is fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. The car is HPI clear, so there is no outstanding finance and the vehicle is not involved in any insurance total loss claims. It will be supplied with a full book pack, full set of tailored carpet mats, both remote control keys, the tonneau covers present in the boot, as is an optional boot mat. Thank you for watching this latest video brought to you by Berkshire Used Cars, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireUsedCars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding the warranties on offer, customer testimonials, part exchange valuation form, as well as our interactive finance calculator, giving the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. The advertised offer is on the basis of a 4-year term with a 10% deposit, monthly payments of £204.21. That's a 4% flat rate, 10.1 APR. Thank you for watching this video.